Mga kababayan, there are people among us claiming to be our leaders, claiming to be our brothers, but in reality, they are enemies within our Katipunan. They are working not for the unity of our nation, but for the division of the Filipino people. Those who are in government disguise themselves in sheep's clothing, when in reality, they are wolves among us. They are not working to unite the Filipino nation. They are working to divide it. They are at this moment working with the rebels to try to divide Mindanao from the rest of the Republic of the Philippines. This cannot be, because as a Filipino people, we have the duty of trying to fight those who threatens the unity of our nation at any cost. For the Philippine nation must always be and forever be Luzon, Visaya, Mindanao, Sabah, and the Spratly Islands. This is our land. This is the land that our ancestors fought for, shed their lives, shed their blood, and gave all that they can give so that their descendants can live in a united nation for the Filipino people, where their children can one day look back and say, this was the land that my ancestor fought for, died for. This is the land that I too will protect, and I am willing to fight for unity of this nation at any cost.